Hi, welcome to your first tutorial on how to use a Google presentation. The first thing that you're going to do is go into your Google Drive, and then you're going to choose Create in the top left corner and then click on Presentation. When you open up your presentation, it will ask you to choose a theme, and you can choose if you want this to pop up right away by leaving this box down at the bottom, clicked, check marked, where it says Show for New Presentations, or you can uncheck it and that you will not have this pop up each time. From here you can choose some of your presentations. I'm going to choose Steps and then click on OK. From here, this will put your theme background on all of your slides, just like this. Now, the next thing that we need to do, let's go up to your top left where it says Untitled Presentation, and we need to name our presentation and then click on OK. And a few new features: you can star your presentation so that it's easy to find, and you can also click on the folder, and from here you can organize it into whichever folder you need it to go into, and then you would just click on Apply Changes. The next thing that you need to look at is over on the left here under File. From your File menu, you can create a new document, presentation, spreadsheet, form. You could open another one. You can also rename right here. You can make a copy of your presentation. You can share out your presentation. So if I click on File, Share, this is the link that I can send out only if I click on Change and choose one of these options. Or I can add people by their email address, and if they can edit, comment, or just view it. If I click on this check mark, it does not notify the person of my message or of my document being sent to them. It will just appear in their Google Drive. However, if you do want to let the person know that you are sharing a presentation, you can leave that checked, and you can add a message if you so choose. And then you just click on Share and Save. Other things to look at, you can do File and Import Slides. And when I go to File, Import Slides, if I have other presentations done in a Google presentation, I just click on Presentations, and then I can find my presentation here. And I just select which ones that I want, and I click on Select, and you'll see it working. But what this will do, it will automatically import all of the slides from other presentations. So if you're doing a review for your class, this is really easy to create an end of the unit review or the end of the lesson review. And this seems to be taking quite a while today. All right, so from here, you're going to see that it pops up with all of the different slides, and then you can choose several of the slides. You can choose all of them, or you can choose none of them. And then the nice thing about this is that at the bottom here you can choose to keep your original theme, or you can uncheck it and then it will match whatever theme that you have. And I'm going to uncheck it so that all of my slides look similar, and then I'm going to click on Import Slides. So now you can see that all of those slides that I chose imported with the same background that I have been using. From here, I can also choose to see my revision history. So if I click on See Revision History, it'll show me who made changes, and I can show more detailed ones so I can see exact minutes, and I can go through and see what was done at each stage. Under the File menu, you're also going to see Language, so if you need to change the language of your presentation, I can download as a Microsoft PowerPoint, a PDF, a JPEG, or a PNG or pictures, graphics, and plain text. I could publish to the web. I could email the collaborators, so if I have shared this with anybody. I could also email this as an attachment. I can go into my print settings and preview, or I can go in and print my document. So my print settings, I can choose with notes, handouts, I can hide my background, download as a PDF, or click on print. And from my print, I can click on choose my printer from here. Thanks.